There are so many different pricing policies on Amazon. I mean, we have the business price, the minimum and maximum price, list price, map price, hidden price, and like this, many countless pricing things you need to keep in mind. And each one of this pricing has its own set of rules. So it's important to know all of the pricing policies if you want to sell on Amazon without any error. And if you make any mistake in setting the price, Amazon may flag it as a pricing issues and deactivate your listing. And that is not something you want to happen. But don't worry, I am here to help. This is Tarjit from Ecomclips, and today I would say you are lucky because you will get everything regarding Amazon pricing in this video, which may Amazon sellers struggle hard to know. Even they end up making mistakes, and some cases they lost a huge amount. So now, without any further delay, let's dive into the discussion. First thing first, what is pricing error and why do pricing error occur? Pricing error is an alert on Amazon that tells your listed price is not compatible with Amazon's pricing rules. You know what? Amazon is known as being a fair and reliable marketplace for sellers and buyers alike. They recommended the price of your product should be competitive. So they have policies of pricing and they are very strict about it. On Amazon, pricing errors can occur due to many reasons. Usually, it happens when the price of your product does not comply with Amazon's rules. For example, if Amazon's algorithm can identify if your price is significantly higher or lower than expected, then this error occurs. And it will notify you with an alert, and it can happen for many other reasons. Now, I will talk about different type of pricing and the issues or the errors you might face for them. First one is high price and low price. If you set your price significantly high, for example, you are selling a watch and your listed price is $40, but other sellers are selling the same watch and their average listed price is lower than yours, suppose for example $25, there is a huge possibility of getting a pricing error. You can also get this error if your price is lower as well. If you try to sell that same watch at a lower than average, suppose at $10, then Amazon will flag pricing error. Here you are trying to cut your competition unethically, and Amazon does not like it. Map price. The second thing is the map price. Map means minimum advertising pricing. This is the minimum price the manufacturer set for the resellers. You are not allowed to sell that product lower than the map price. For example, the manufacturer of this watch sets the map price is $25. Now you cannot sell it lower than $25. If you try, you will get such errors because Amazon's policy says you need to follow map policy. Means you cannot sell your product lower than the price set by your manufacturer. If you do, you will get pricing errors. Next, minimum price and maximum price. Well, if I show you this from Amazon Seller Central, it would be easier to understand. Now, go to your Manage Inventory section. There are two columns from the right. Say your minimum price and your maximum price. What do they actually mean? Well, this is a limit of your pricing. That means you will not go below or above them. Minimum price should be the lowest price you are willing to sell for an item. For example, you are selling this watch at $25. Now you want to give a 50% discount on it. But you have to set your minimum price $20. Because of that, you cannot sell the watch with a 50% discount. Your maximum price plays quite a similar role. And if you do not put your minimum price and maximum price correctly, Amazon will flag pricing errors. Business price. In the Manage All Inventory section, you will find this column called Business Price. This is basically your B2B selling price, and Amazon has its own rules for that. Now on the screen, you can see Amazon's business pricing policy. I will give the link in the description and suggest you to read it and follow the rules if it applicable for you. Your price and list price. Your price is the normal price you want to list your product for. Your price and the list price should be the same. MSRP. Now, MSRP, which is manufacturer suggested retail price. Be careful, it is very important. The manufacturer recommends this price to the retailers or the third-party sellers to charge for their product. Amazon uses MSRP when displaying product prices. It ensures that false discount or any promotion does not mislead customers. For example, if you are selling a product at 20% discount of the MSRP, then you are trying to sell the below manufacturer's recommendation. Now you are wondering why Amazon would do this. Well, they believe that putting accurate pricing, the search result will lead to more sales and happier customers. So Amazon might flag pricing errors if you do not comply with the policy. Hidden price. Another big headache for seller is hidden price. Sometimes you may have noticed your listing is there same as usual, but the pricing is not showing where it should be. That means Amazon has hidden your price. If you do not follow the pricing rules set by Amazon, they can do that. Amazon strictly monitors your listed prices. They might even compare your price with other marketplaces or websites. Enough talking of problems. Let's move to the solution. Now, if you are getting pricing errors and do not know how to get rid of them, don't worry. I will show you some processes that will help you to solve it. In case you have a high price error or low price error or another kind of errors, the process is similar for the most of the cases. How to fix pricing errors on Amazon? Now let's fix this problem. The first process I'm going to show you, it's pretty simple. What you have to do? Go to Seller Central and open Manage Inventory page. You need to find Pricing Alerts and click on it. Now you can see all the products that have pricing issues. Now set a minimum price, a standard price and a maximum price. Then hit save. That's it. Amazon will update your price within 15 minutes. This shows Amazon that your prices are intentional and not a mistake. If you still have pricing issues or the previous method is not working for you, there is another alternative. Make some tweaks to your price. To solve pricing errors on Amazon, you can make small adjustment to your price. This involves adjusting your listing price slightly and ending the existing price before reactivating it. By doing this, you show Amazon that your prices are intentional and not a mistake. Reach Amazon support. If you are still unable to fix a pricing error by adjusting your price or set minimum or maximum prices, opening a support ticket is the next step. By doing so, you can reach out to the Amazon customer support team for assistance in resolving the issue. Do not hesitate to request a callback from Amazon Seller Central to speak with a supervisor. They will review your case and provide guidance on how to solve your problem with your listing. We have a different video on how to open a support ticket and reach someone from Amazon. The link in the description. Tips to prevent pricing error in the future. You already know the term, prevention is better than the cure. So it is better if you can avoid pricing error before occurring. Then you do not need to solve anything, right? Now I am giving you some tips that will help you to prevent such problems from occurring in the future. Number 1. Regularly review and update your pricing. Regularly review and update your pricing to avoid potential high pricing error on Amazon. See what other sellers are charging for similar stuff. Figure out what people are really into buying. If something is super popular, you could charge a little more and make a good profit. And make sure you know the pricing policies of Amazon. Number 2, use automated repricing tools. To effectively manage your pricing on Amazon and avoid pricing errors, you can use an automated repricing tool like NeuroPrice. This can help you continuously monitor your prices of your competitors and adjust your prices accordingly in real time. It will save your time and help to build a strategy and also prevent potential pricing errors. Number 3, monitor your competitors' prices. To stay competitive in the market, it is very important to monitor your competitors' price. By keeping an eye on what the rivals are charging for similar products will help you to set your own pricing strategy. Number 4, stay informed about Amazon's pricing policies and guidelines. If you want to sell on Amazon, I highly recommend you to study its policy deeply and understand it. It will help you to increase your sustainability in this platform, as well as it will prevent unexpected events such pricing errors. Stay up to date with any changes and updates in the pricing policies. So if you ever face any pricing error, now you know how to solve it. That's all for today. We do have more resources like this. You can visit our website ecomclips.com, which has a lot of cool things you want to check out to make sure to level up your Amazon strategy in 2024. And if you want some help, we are always here to help you out. We are a full-service e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. Currently, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts. Together, we helped and have been managing thousands of Amazon choice and bestseller ranked products. Thank you so much for all of you to watch till the end. We will meet again. Till then, take care, stay safe. See you soon.